Madam, why is this meat so expensive? It's just a small piece.
Sir, the cost of transportation has gone up and the quantity of meat we receive is limited. That's why the price is higher.
But the meat is so little. It's not worth the price.
I understand, sir, but we have to cover our costs. If you want cheaper meat, you might try a different seller.
Let me ask you something. You've probably heard of Grok AI. You know what it can do. You've seen the kind of videos it generates. High quality, realistic, cinematic. But here's the thing nobody tells you. You can generate Grok AI video completely free. No subscription, no watermark. And the very first scene you saw when this video started, that was generated using Grok AI for free on a platform most people haven't discovered yet. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. Stay with me, because this one is worth your full attention. Now, if you've tried to access Grok AI video generation directly, you already know the issue. It's either locked behind a paid plan, limited in what the free tier allows, or it simply doesn't give you clean, downloadable output without restrictions. And for creators, especially those of us building on a budget, that's a wall. Every platform that produces genuinely good AI video either costs you money every single month, or it stamps a watermark right across your work that tells the whole world you couldn't afford the paid version. So what do? You pay up, or you settle. But what if there was a third option? What if there was a platform that gives you access to Grok AI video generation? The real thing. Completely free, with no watermark on the output. I found it. I tested it. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. But first, let me introduce myself real quick. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nigel, the digital avatar of Verlosser Nigel, the creator of Accelerate with Nigel. This channel exists for one reason, to give you real, practical tools and skills that help you build smarter and grow faster in the digital world. No fluff, no filler, just what works. Now, let's get into it. A few days ago, while I was in the middle of several projects, a friend kept reaching out to me with the same question. Nigel, is there any free AI video tool that doesn't add a watermark? At first, I set it aside. I had deadlines, things to finish, but the question kept coming. So eventually, I stopped. I tested several platforms, and I found something that genuinely surprised me. Then I thought, why should only one person benefit from this? So I brought it here. The platform is called OiiOii AI, and the reason this platform is special has everything to do with one specific model inside it. But before I reveal that, let me show you how to get started. Alright, step 1. Open your browser and visit OiiOii AI. The link is in the description below this video. Once the page loads, create your free account. You can sign up with your Gmail or register with your email address. The process is straightforward and only takes a few moments. Now here's something worth paying attention to right at the start. When you create your free account, OiiOii AI gives you 200 free credits immediately. 200 credits to begin experimenting with. Generating videos, generating images, testing the platform, before you spend a single coin. That is a genuinely generous starting point for a free account. And as I'll show you shortly, the model we're focused on today costs only 40 credits per generation. So with 200 credits, you can generate multiple Grok AI videos right from day one. Let that sink in for a second. Once you log in, you'll land directly in the workspace. And this is where the platform immediately stood out to me. If you've ever used Canva before, you're going to feel right at home. The interface is clean, visual, organized. Everything is easy to find and easy to understand. Most AI platforms overwhelm new users with complicated controls and technical settings. OiiOii AI does the opposite. Your scenes, generated content, prompts, and editing tools are all visible from one workspace. It feels more like a modern video editor than a complicated AI tool. Even if you've never used an AI video generator before, you can navigate this platform with almost no learning curve. Now, this is the part of the video I really want you to pay attention to, because this is where everything clicks together. When you go to create a new video project on OiiOii AI, you'll be asked to select a model. And here's where most people make the mistake of just picking the first option they see and moving on. Don't do that. Instead, scroll down. You'll find a section specifically for video generation models. And inside that section, there are dozens of models to choose from. But the one we want, the one this entire video is built around, Is this Grok Imagine 1.5? Let me say that again clearly so it's locked in your mind. Scroll to the video generation models. Select Grok Imagine 1.5. That is the Grok AI video generator built right into OiiOii AI's free platform. The same Grok AI video technology you've seen produce stunning, cinematic, realistic video output. Available to you for free at just 40 credits per generation. With the 200 credits you receive on signup, you can generate your first 5 Grok AI videos before you've spent a single penny. 5 Grok AI videos. For free. No watermark. That is what makes OiiOii AI different from everything else out there right now. Now that you've selected Grok Imagine 1.5, it's time to enter your prompt. And here's the first thing I need you to understand, because this is where most beginners go wrong. Your prompt is everything. A weak, vague prompt gives you a weak, generic result. A detailed, specific prompt gives you something you'll actually want to publish. Here's an example of a strong prompt, the type I used personally during my testing. A realistic African market scene. A customer asks a meat seller why the price of meat has increased. The seller explains that transportation costs have gone up and supply has become limited. Realistic atmosphere. Natural dialogue. Cinematic camera movement. Compare that to just typing 2 people talking in a market. That's the difference between average output and something genuinely impressive. Think of your prompt as a director's brief. The more detail you give, the location, the mood, the dialogue, the camera feel, the more Grok Imagine 1.5 has to work with. Strong input, strong output, every time. While your Grok AI video is generating, take a moment to explore the style library and creative assets. You'll find options for styles, image enhancements, upscaling, regeneration, trimming, and scene modifications. This gives you real room to experiment, and that matters. Instead of being locked into one visual direction, you can explore different looks until you find what fits your project. For content creators, marketers, educators, and storytellers, that flexibility is genuinely valuable. Most free tools give you one style and call it done. OiiOii AI gives you real options. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. One of the most common complaints about free AI video tools is this: the scenes feel static, lifeless, like a slideshow with audio. That's fair, and it's a real limitation on most free platforms. But OiiOii AI gives you dynamic camera movement options that you can apply directly to your Grok AI generated scenes. Instead of stiff, frozen visuals, your content starts to feel cinematic, alive, engaging. This was one of the features that genuinely surprised me during testing. And when you combine Grok Imagine 1.5's output quality with camera movement, the result looks like something you paid serious money to produce. Once your Grok AI video finishes generating, preview the result carefully. Pay attention to the image quality, the character consistency, the camera movement. Because this is where the combination of OiiOii AI and Grok Imagine 1.5 really delivered for me. The images are sharp, the details are rich, the lighting looks natural, the colors are vibrant. The overall realism is far beyond what you would expect from a free platform. But the feature I was most skeptical about going in, and the one that surprised me the most, was this: dialogue and lip sync. I tested multiple dialogue-based scenes, conversations, character interactions, speaking scenes. The voice generation sounds natural, the dialogue delivery feels realistic, and the lip synchronization, the way the mouth movements match the spoken words, was far more precise than I expected from a free model. That's something many paid AI video platforms still struggle with today. If you're creating story-driven content, social media skits, educational videos, or character-based content, this feature, powered by Grok Imagine 1.5, can save you hours. Once you're happy with your Grok AI video, simply download it. Clean, no watermark, ready to publish. Now let me break down the credits so you know exactly what you're working with. When you sign up, you receive 200 free credits immediately. Each Grok Imagine 1.5 video generation costs 40 credits. Every day you log in, OiiOii AI gives you an additional 60 free credits. So on day 1 alone, with your 200 sign-up credits, you can generate 5 full Grok AI videos before spending anything. And every time you log in after that, your daily 60 credits keep that momentum going. For creators building on a budget, or anyone starting out with AI video generation, That is a genuinely practical and generous setup. Just keep in mind that platform features and credit amounts can change over time. Always check the latest details when you sign up. The link to OiiOii AI is in the description below. Alright, here's my honest verdict after testing OiiOii AI, and specifically after testing Grok Imagine 1.5 on the platform. The interface is intuitive and beginner-friendly. The sign-up process is quick and gives you 200 free credits immediately. The style library and creative assets are excellent. The camera movement options are impressive. The image quality from Grok Imagine 1.5 is outstanding. The dialogue generation is solid. The voice quality sounds natural. And the lip synchronization accuracy is genuinely ahead of where most free tools are today. If I had to score OiiOii AI on a scale of 1 to 10, 8.5 out of 10. The reason it's not a perfect 10 is simple. There's still room to grow. I'd love to see more advanced controls, greater consistency across longer projects, and expanded capabilities for larger productions. But for what it offers completely free, and specifically for giving creators access to Grok Imagine 1.5 at no cost, 8.5 out of 10 is a strong result. If you're a content creator, a YouTuber, a marketer, an entrepreneur, or simply someone who wants to experiment with Grok AI video without spending money, OiiOii AI is absolutely worth trying. If you found this tutorial useful, hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it helps this video reach more creators who need it. Subscribe to Accelerate with Nigel and turn on the notification bell, because every week I'm bringing you real AI tools, practical tutorials, and digital skills that help you build smarter and grow faster. And drop a comment below. I want to know. Now that you know about Grok Imagine 1.5, what's the first scene you're going to generate? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. Now, before you go. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to write AI video prompts that get you the exact results you want, every single time. Because Grok Imagine 1.5 is a powerful model, but the right prompt is what unlocks everything it can do. So if you're not subscribed yet, do it right now. You don't want to miss that one. I'll see you in the next video.